So today I started making my keto bread and I wanted to share a little bit of that with you. So here we go. In here I have my cream cheese, and I'm not a baker, so maybe I don't add it in the right order that I need to be adding it, but this is gonna be applesauce and bananas because I don't wanna add 8 eggs to this recipe, right? So I'll be right back. Finally, we're gonna add the eggs. We'll be back. See how smooth that batter is? Nice. Oops, now we probably need to turn it off. We're gonna dump half of the flours and proteins. And here we go. Gonna quickly add the rest. We will mix it. And then we'll come back and put them in the pans and put them in the oven. Okay, so this keto bread is gonna go in the oven for about 45 minutes and I'll show you the finished product. Okay, for the big reveal, keto bread, no guilt. It's got protein in it.